Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make microphone loader on MacBook. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. If your microphone is too low or too high, you can adjust it on your MacBook to increase microphone phone volume on MacBook. It's very simple. You can open your system preferences from Apple menu. Now you can select on sound. Click on sound. From here you can choose on input. You can select input in here. Click on input and you'll find here's the setting for the selected device. As you can see, my microphone is an external microphone on my microphone port on my MacBook, and I want to adjust the volume. I want to make it louder, so you can adjust in here on the input volume. You can, if you want to make it louder, you can slide to right. Here's from 54%. I will slide it to this. It's very simple, right? And if you want to make it more louder, you can just slide to right. Or it's too loud, you can slide it to left. It's very simple, right? So that is how to adjust, how to make your microphone louder on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!